Hey, it's Akshay from Kitchen Flames and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's episode is a Ramzan special. Well, there are a plethora of non-vegetarian snack recipes for the iftar parties. But today, I'm going for a vegetarian option. You might have heard of cheese balls. But have you heard of Chowmein Cheese Balls? Well, these are one of my favorite homemade snack recipes and it will be great for your iftar parties as well. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you're one hell of a foodie. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, we're going to make the white sauce which will act as a binding agent in this recipe. For this, we'll heat up a few knobs of butter in a pan. Once the butter has melted, add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Cook it for 2-3 minutes. Once you see bubbles like this, you know your flour is cooked. Now is the time to add milk. Make sure you keep on stirring the sauce to avoid lumps, and all of this will be done on a low-medium flame for 2-3 minutes. Now put salt to taste and stir it again. Your white sauce is ready. Now keep it aside to cool. Now the next part of the recipe has to do with mixing the ingredients. I've taken here 2 packets of chowmein which I have boiled with a little bit of salt. To this I'll add in chopped coriander, 3-4 chopped onions, green chillies which are de-seeded, you can add with seeds. For seasoning, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of Maggi Masala and salt to taste. Now add in the prepared white sauce. After giving it all a good mix, I refrigerated the mixture for 15 to 20 minutes. Now is the time to shape the mixture into some balls. Okay, for that I've taken here whole wheat breadcrumbs. You can go for semolina or rava for crumbing. I've also taken some cheese cubes. These are processed cheese cubes easily available in the market. If you wish, you could also go for cheddar cheese cubes or mozzarella cheese. Now is the time to get your hands dirty. For that, take a portion of the mixture. Spread the mixture in your palm, like I'm doing, and make a nest in the center. You want to make a nest in the center. Now fill in the nest with some cheese cubes and cover it from all sides. Cover it and shape it into roundels. Coat the ball with the breadcrumbs until it's properly coated. The balls are ready for the second coating, but make sure before the second coating, refrigerate them for about 2 to 3 hours. Now for the second coating, I've taken here 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. To this you want to add water little by little and make a slurry out of it. My slurry is ready. In the second coating, I'm using rusk for crumbing. What I've done here is I've taken rusk and crushed it into powder. Now I'm gonna take the ball, dip it in the slurry well, and then coat it with the rusk powder for that perfect crumbing. The balls are now ready for frying. Pour some oil in a pan and check for temperature by throwing in a piece of crumb. If it flows up, you know that the oil is perfect. Now put in the balls one by one and cook them from one side. After cooking it for 3 minutes on one side, flip them to cook from the other side as well. Be careful while flipping them. Once they are golden brown in color, take them out and serve it with your favorite dip.